Death is a natural part of life that all beings must face at some point. In Buddhism, death is seen as the transition from one existence to another, and what happens after death is believed to be determined by our actions and intentions in this life. According to Buddhist philosophy, the concept of rebirth plays a central role in understanding what happens after death. It is believed that upon death, the consciousness of the deceased leaves the physical body and moves on to a new existence. This new existence is influenced by the karma or actions of the individual in their previous life. The Eightfold Path, a key teaching of Buddhism, outlines the principles and practices that can help individuals cultivate positive karma and ultimately achieve liberation from the cycle of birth and death. The Eightfold Path consists of right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. By following this path, individuals can lead a virtuous life that will lead to a positive rebirth and eventual enlightenment. Right view involves understanding the nature of reality and the interconnectedness of all beings. Having a correct understanding of the impermanence of life and the concept of karma is essential for guiding one's actions in a way that will lead to positive outcomes in this life and the next. Right intention focuses on cultivating wholesome intentions and motivations in all actions. By acting with compassion, kindness, and mindfulness, individuals can generate positive karma that will lead to a favorable rebirth. Right speech emphasizes the importance of using words wisely and avoiding harmful or deceptive speech. By speaking truthfully and with kindness, individuals can build positive relationships and create a harmonious environment for themselves and others. Right action involves living ethically and morally, avoiding actions that harm oneself or others. By following the principles of non-violence, honesty, and generosity, individuals can create a foundation of positive karma that will contribute to a favorable rebirth. Right livelihood encourages individuals to engage in work that is honest and ethical, avoiding occupations that cause harm to oneself or others. By earning a living in a way that aligns with the principles of the Eightfold Path, individuals can generate positive karma that will support their spiritual growth and well-being. Right effort involves cultivating positive qualities such as mindfulness, concentration, and wisdom. By practicing meditation and self-reflection, individuals can develop a deeper understanding of themselves and the world around them, leading to greater insight and self-awareness. Right mindfulness encourages individuals to be present and attentive in every moment, cultivating awareness of their thoughts, emotions, and actions. By staying mindful and focused on the present moment, individuals can avoid being consumed by worries and anxieties, leading to a more peaceful and harmonious existence. Right concentration involves developing mental focus and clarity through meditation practices. By training the mind to be calm and attentive, individuals can cultivate the inner strength and wisdom needed to overcome the challenges of life and achieve liberation from the cycle of birth and death. In summary, the Eightfold Path offers a guide for living a virtuous and meaningful life that will lead to positive outcomes in this life and the next. By following the principles and practices outlined in the Eightfold Path, individuals can cultivate positive karma, generate good rebirths, and ultimately achieve liberation from the cycle of birth and death. Through the practice of mindfulness, ethics, and meditation, individuals can cultivate the inner qualities needed to navigate the challenges of life and transcend the limitations of the physical world. Ultimately, the path to enlightenment in Buddhism is a personal journey that requires dedication, effort, and a commitment to living in alignment with the principles of the Eightfold Path.